Where? Stop! Yo, stop!
On January 8, 2026, in the West Village area of New York City, the suspect was identified as Dmitriy Zass, 37 years old. Zass was driving a white BMW and was involved in a collision with another civilian's vehicle. After the crash, Zass left the scene without stopping. The involved civilian followed Zass's vehicle to in front of 3 Bedford Street. At that location, Zass suddenly reversed his car and struck the civilian's vehicle a second time. After the second impact, the civilian backed away to maintain a safe distance from the suspect. At the same time, another civilian, unaware of what had occurred, inadvertently drove up close to Zass's BMW. Meanwhile, 2 New York City Police Department officers, Officer Jesslyn Gonzalez and Officer Christopher Rodriguez, were patrolling the area when civilians flagged them down and pointed toward the suspect's vehicle. The 2 officers immediately approached the BMW.
Where?
Suddenly, Zass exited the vehicle, holding an object that appeared to be a firearm, and pointed it toward the officers.
491 for the director.
Yo, stop! Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired! Get behind! Get behind! Gonzalez, get behind! Shots fired! Shots fired! Get behind! Get behind! Gonzalez, get behind! Shots fired!
790 south, I need it.
You stop! Drop the weapon! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Don't move! Get back, Gonzalez! Get back! Get back! Get a bus rolling! Get a bus rolling!
Yeah, need a bus for
6 boys! Shots fired! We got 1 mil down!
Having prepared prior to making contact, the officers discharged their weapons, preventing the suspect from firing any shots. Following the gunfire, the scene briefly descended into chaos, and Officer Rodriguez appeared to be shaken.
Sir!
You supervise this to MOS down?
No, civilian. Fuck, I didn't have my body cam on.
You supervise it. Six Lieutenant. Alright, we go off to this job. Can you attempt to issue a response for a mailbox inside of the bathroom?
Sir!
That's 4. Detective, can you advise any MOS shot at this time? Negative, no MOS shot. Tab 4. 10-5 location. 10-5 location. And B, guys, this is 17 Avenue South for this time?
84, 6 Adam 84.
Wait, he has a gun! Wait!
What's the location? I think 31 Bedford Street at this time. 31
Toss
Bedford
the
Street.
gun,
Bedford
sir!
Street.
Sir, toss the gun!
Any multiple shots fired at this time at 31 Bedford at this time? 31 Bedford.
So give us a call, street.
It's going to be between Downing and Carmine. 6 Charlie. How many calls got in regards to the shot? Multiple calls. Show me around to the location.
6, boy. It's a confirmed shots fired. Perp does have the firearm. We shot some shots at him. Unknown if he got hit. He's on the floor. He still has a gun on him.
What's the location?
Get a bus.
Drop the
This is gonna be for East Bedford Street. Just had East Bedford. Can you have the Americans and down there?
Sir, toss the gun!
No, Charlie, show me going. 6 to 7, that's that more discharge?
Yes. 6 boy, we discharged. Unknown, we got him.
Let me get a level 1 more station.
No, I'm good. I'm good.
6 boy, this is just please advise any MOS shots
Good,
inside.
Chris, I'm good. Toss.
6 Lieutenant. 6 Lieutenant, response to the location.
No, we good.
6 Lieutenant, the mobilization point is 3 Bedford Street.
Sir! Sir! Drop the gun! He's right here. Sir! Drop the gun!
6 Lieutenant.
You ready? Yes.
5 shots fired.
Zass was later transported by ambulance to NYC Health Plus Hospitals/Bellevue, where he was pronounced dead. Police recovered Zass's weapon. It was determined to be a Sig Sauer air gun that fires pellet rounds, not a real firearm. However, it closely resembles the Sig Sauer M17 Luger 9mm handgun. In fact, Sig Sauer has previously promoted that its air guns and rifles are designed to closely replicate real firearms. At the scene, officers determined that the weapon carried by Zass was potentially lethal, and they were unable to distinguish it from a real firearm during a direct confrontation.